10 free solo climbers who fell caught on camera. Welcome to the most amazing channel where we explore the world of adventure, thrill, and the indomitable human spirit. In today's video, we're delving into the heart of free solo climbing, a sport that combines unmatched skill with incredible risk. Free solo climbers are known for taking on some of the world's most dangerous peaks without any safety equipment, relying solely on their strength, focus, and mental resilience. But as we'll see in this video, sometimes even the best climbers face tragic consequences. Join us as we count down 10 free solo climbers who fell, caught on camera, and left behind legacies that continue to inspire climbers around the world. Number 10. Austin Howell, 2019. Austin Howell, ranked number 10 on this list, was a rising star in the world of free solo climbing. Known for his daring ascents and his openness about the mental and physical challenges of the sport, he often shared his experiences through social media. Howell's engaging personality and raw talent made him a respected figure in the climbing community. In June 2019, Howell attempted a climb in Linville Gorge, North Carolina, a challenging area with steep cliffs and rugged terrain. While specific details about the exact route are unclear, Linville Gorge is notorious for its technical difficulty, making it a favorite among seasoned climbers. Tragically, Howell fell during this ascent. Although the fall itself wasn't captured on camera, much of his previous climbing footage documented the risks and rewards of free soloing. The news of his death sent shockwaves through the climbing world. Tributes poured in from fellow climbers, many of whom admired Howell not only for his climbing prowess, but also for his willingness to address the fears and dangers inherent in free solo climbing. His passing underscored the extreme hazards of climbing without safety equipment, where even the smallest mistake can lead to fatal consequences. Austin Howell's legacy lives on in the climbing community as a reminder of the passion and determination it takes to pursue such a dangerous yet beautiful sport. His story serves as both inspiration and caution for climbers who seek to follow in his unroped footsteps. Number 9. Brad Gobright, 2019. Brad Gobright, ranked number 9 on this list, was celebrated as one of the boldest climbers of his generation. Renowned for his daring free solo ascents and his fearless approach to climbing, Gobright consistently pushed boundaries in the sport. His achievements on sheer rock faces and his unrelenting focus earned him a place among the elite in the climbing community. In November 2019, Gobright was descending El Sendero Luminoso, a renowned multi-pitch climbing route in Mexico, alongside fellow climber Aiden Jacobson. The descent required a technique called simul-rappelling, where two climbers descend together using opposite ends of the same rope. This method is fast but risky, requiring precise coordination and balance. Tragically, Gobright's side of the rope slipped, causing him to fall nearly 300 meters, approximately 1,000 feet, to his death. While the fall itself wasn't captured on video, Gobright's previous climbs, including other ascents on El Sendero Luminoso, had been documented and showcased his remarkable skills. His passing was a stark reminder of the dangers inherent in climbing, even for the most experienced athletes. Brad Gobright's death devastated the climbing community, highlighting the razor-thin margin for error in the sport. His passion and courage remain an inspiration, and his legacy endures as a testament to the spirit of adventure that defines free solo climbing. Number 8. John Bachar, 2009. Coming in at number 8 is John Bachar, a legendary figure in the world of free solo climbing. Widely regarded as a pioneer, Bachar was known for his incredible physical fitness and unwavering commitment to climbing without ropes. His philosophy revolved around self-reliance and precision, making him one of the most respected and influential climbers of his time. On July 5, 2009, at the age of 52, Bachar was climbing solo near Mammoth Lakes, California, when tragedy struck. The exact details of his fall remain unclear, but the location, a well-known climbing area, reflected the challenging routes he often favored. Bachar's death sent shockwaves through the climbing community, as he had been a symbol of mastery and control in a sport fraught with risk. Though the fall was not caught on camera, Bachar's numerous filmed climbs showcase his incredible skill and highlight the extreme demands of free soloing. He was famous for pushing the limits, often climbing routes that few others would dare to attempt without safety equipment. Bachar's legacy is immense, as he inspired generations of climbers to embrace the discipline and focus required for free soloing. His tragic fall served as a sobering reminder of the ever-present dangers in the sport, even for those who seem invincible. To this day, Bachar is remembered as a trailblazer whose contributions to climbing have left an indelible mark on the sport. Number 7. Derek Hersey, 1993. At number 7, we have Derek Hersey, a British climber renowned for his bold and fearless approach to soloing in some of the most perilous conditions. Hersey was known for taking on challenging routes, often tackling them in less than ideal weather conditions, which made his climbs even more impressive. His confidence in his ability to read the rock and execute flawless moves made him a respected figure in the climbing community. In 1993, Hersey was attempting a free solo ascent of Sentinel Rock in Yosemite National Park, one of the most iconic and demanding climbing areas in the world. Despite his experience, the weather conditions that day were far from ideal. Rain and moisture had made the rock surfaces slick, increasing the risk of a fall. While climbing, Derek Hersey lost his footing on the wet rock, and tragically, he fell to his death. This accident served as a stark reminder of how unpredictable and dangerous the sport can be, even for the most seasoned climbers. The fall itself was not caught on camera, but Hersey's death highlighted the risks involved in solo climbing, especially when environmental factors like wet or icy conditions come into play. Derek Hersey's tragic passing continues to resonate in the climbing community. His death emphasizes the fine line between success and tragedy in free solo climbing, where the smallest misstep can have catastrophic consequences. His legacy lives on in the countless climbers who continue to push the boundaries of the sport, always remembering the risks involved. Number 6. Stephane Bros, 2012. At number 6, we have Stephane Bros, a renowned French mountaineer and free solo climber known for his bold and ambitious climbs, particularly along exposed ridges. Bros had an impressive reputation for his fearless approach to soloing, often tackling some of the most difficult and dangerous routes in the Alps. His unique ability to navigate high-altitude terrain without ropes made him a well-respected figure in the climbing community. In 2012, Bros was part of a filmed expedition in the French Alps, a climb that would ultimately end in tragedy. While traversing a notoriously exposed ridge, known for its precarious footing and steep drops, Bros lost his balance and fell to his death. The fall was not directly captured on camera, but the expedition itself was being filmed, and much of his journey had been documented. The accident underscored the inherent dangers of free solo climbing, especially on challenging ridgelines where the risk of falling is heightened. Bros's death was a somber reminder of the unpredictability of solo climbing, where even the smallest slip or misstep can lead to fatal consequences. Stephane Bros's tragic passing left a profound impact on the climbing community. His fearless approach to the sport inspired many, but his death also highlighted the extreme risks involved in climbing without safety gear. Bros's legacy as a pioneering solo climber continues to inspire both admiration and caution within the world of mountaineering and free solo climbing. Number 5. Dan Osman, 1998. At number 5, we have Dan Osman, a legendary figure known for his pioneering speed climbing feats and audacious rope-free stunts. Osman gained fame for his controlled free falls, where he would climb mountainsides or cliffs and jump from dizzying heights with carefully calibrated rope systems to slow his fall. His ability to master